Hello children, today we are going to see triangles chapter exercise 7.2 sixth sum. Let me explain the question first. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, it is given in the book. So first I took and write the given things from the book. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, which means AB is equal to AC. So this angle to angle will be equal, angle B is equal to angle C. Then in the question even it is given A point is extended to the point D, which means AB is equal to AD. So these two lines, that is these two line segments, BA is equal to AD line segment. So ADC is also an isosceles triangle. So two triangles made a bigger triangle. First triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Then ADC is also an isosceles triangle. The two triangles together formed triangle BCD, that is that angle should be a right angled triangle. So we have to prove this BCD, that is here angle is 90 degree. We have to prove angle BCD, that is angle C is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that. So for that I am taking first in triangle ABC, first triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, which is AB is equal to AC, which means this angle and the base angle, two angles will be equal. So I am taking this angle to be as 1. So AB is angle B is equal to angle 1 by theorem 7.2. Okay. So from this triangle it is understood AB is equal to AC. So two sides are equal, which means two angles also equal. So angle B is equal to angle 1. Now in triangle, that is the next triangle ADC I am taking, ADC triangle, AD is equal to AC, which means here I am taking to be as angle 2. So this is angle D. Angle D is equal to angle 2. The same theorem here also follows, that is by 7.2 theorem, angle D is equal to angle D. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, that is angle B plus angle D, that is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is nothing but angle BCD, angle 1 plus angle 2. So the total angle C is BCD. So which means BCD. So B plus D angle, that is equal to BCD angle. Okay. So now take into consideration this one. Then regarding these two smaller triangles we finished. Now we are going for the bigger triangle. In triangle BCD we are applying the angle sum property. As we know what is the, we want to know what is the angle C. So I am applying angle sum property here. Angle B, this is angle B, then this is angle C. Angle C is divided into two angles, so I am writing BCD. So BCD plus angle D, that is equal to 180 degree. How? By applying the angle sum property. As we know angle B plus angle D, that is equal to BCD, I am giving the value BCD here, that is BCD plus, already here one BCD is there. Now this B plus D is BCD. So instead of B plus D I am substituting the value BCD. Already one BCD is there. So plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times BCD, that is 2 times BCD is equal to 180 degree, which means BCD is equal to 180 divided by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So automatically we have proved that angle C is equal to 90 degree. So the statement to be proved is, here we proved BCD angle is a right angle. So angle C is 90 degree. It is proved.